apart from franchising,
Yeah,
what
yeah.
other ways are there to expand your cafe or restaurant business?
Okay. Well, I've looked into this and I've been researching this off late. So franchising is a very obvious choice, but franchising comes with its own pros and cons, right? Because if you are going to look at potential partnerships and if you're looking to onboard franchisees, please do not get greedy. Because I've seen a lot of brands meet their death because they got too greedy with their expansion. They ended up signing the wrong kind of partnerships, which eventually ended up biting them. And it works other way also. Some brands can potentially look at taking on a lot of partners but shortchange them, right? It has to be a mutually beneficial relationship. The franchisees must be able to have a good return on their investment, and the brand should be able to offer a lot of intrinsic value to them, as well as for the brand itself. The partner should be such that they should be able to allow you to express your vision, but with their capital backing you. So
Okay.
franchising being one option. Another option for restaurateurs looking to expand their brand is to go through maybe institutional funding is one option, right? I mean, depending on the size of the brand and how lucrative your model is, you could potentially approach people who write smaller checks. Maybe you could look at picking up a seed check. Again, depends on the size and format. But for somebody who has a brand with a smaller footprint, which is easily scalable, let's say your brand is, you can easily expand into an outlet to at a 15 to 20 to 25 lakhs. You could have somebody writing you a small check, maybe pick up a seed round or an angel round, right? And you have to approach all these people. You have to put your model in. You have to show that you could take out a certain EBITDA. You could take out a certain healthy margin, how you'll expand eventually. But once you have a very solid model and you approach people looking to invest in up and coming brands, we have so many stories of brands picking up good investments. Blue Tokai obviously being one of them. It's been in the news for the various funding rounds they picked up off late. So that can also be a potential avenue.
Yeah.
Again, you could look at help from friends and family. If you could, depending on the size and the investment it takes to put together another outlet, that could also be one way. You could also look at debt financing, which means you could approach banks and NBFCs. Of course, the interest NBFCs charge is very, very high, but you could look at raising debt from them and using that money to build your outlet in. But all of these come with their own pros and cons, right? Debt with a very high interest, if you're not able to meet the business, that debt still has to be paid. Similarly, if institutional investors come on board, they will have a say and they will have a seat on the board and they will have a say in how you run your brand. So for anybody looking to expand their brand, they must be able to go through all these options, read a book again, but research how all these models work, and then look at it, right? Because just so many options out there.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगी और ऐसी और वीडियोस देखना चाहते हैं, सो मेक श्योर टू फॉलो ट्रूफुल नेशन ऑन YouTube.